I'm making a tape to send to Papa Tim. What do you want to send him? What do you want to say to him?
I want to say to Papa that that I love him and I'm painting a beautiful picture for him.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna see him on Easter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to blow him a kiss or something? Tell him to keep an eye on the mail.
I want to do the video right now.
I am doing the video right now.
Oh, okay.
So is there anything else you want to tell Papa?
No.
No, that's it?
Okay, I'll do the real video now. I love you and I'm painting pictures for you.
Okay. Say see you on Easter.
See you on Easter.
All right. Right, is there anything you want to say to Papa Tim?
I would.
Oh yeah? Can you look at the camera and say that?
I said I would.
Okay. And what are you working on?
Painting.
A painting for who?
Papa.
For Papa? Okay. Say, Papa, keep an eye on the mail.
Papa, keep your eye on the mail.
Okay.
Papa, keep your eye with the mail.
Okay. Right, tell Papa what you've been doing at Miss Heidi's.
You are on the body.
Peeing and pooping on the body.
It's not pooping on the body.
Oh, are you going to start pooping on the body?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Pink is important.
All right, say bye, Papa.